how to create and set up a character in Darkest Days. Before you fight, you have to look the past. This guide shows you how to create and set up a character in the Darkest Days. When starting, you can customize your appearance. Choose a face shape, hair, and battle scars. Note that appearance is cosmetic, so pick a look that fits your style. You can change clothes later, but your base features are permanent. Select your starting archetype. If you prefer stealth and looting, choose the scavenger. If you want a head start in combat, pick the soldier. This determines your starting stats and initial gear loadout. Finally, assign your initial attribute points. For beginners, we recommend putting points in the stamina so you can run longer and dodge more often during zombie encounters. Confirm your setup and enter the world. Your survivor is ready. Now go make a name for yourself. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days guides.